Hello everyone, this is Shazad. Thanks for watching Shazad Tech YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to fix standby mode is not working on iPhone after iOS 17 update. So guys, without wasting any time, let's start the video guys. You can make sure that you have updated to the latest iOS 17 version. So launch the settings app. Here you can tap on general and now you can simply tap on software update. Checking for update, wait for a few seconds, and now you can see iOS 17 is up to date. So go back again, open the settings app. Here you can find standby, tap on it, turn the toggle on, go back again, tap on settings again, open standby, turn on all these features, go back, go to the control center, turn off the orientation lock and again turn it on, go back and make sure that you have connected with charger. So I am connected to the charger. Lock the iPhone. Now you can see that landscape mode is working on iPhone, so you can change it and customize by scrolling up and scroll down. So guys, I hope this video is helpful for you. If this video is helpful for you, then you subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for upcoming videos. Thanks for watching.